Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change Spotify Equalizer. If you are using Spotify and now you want to change your Spotify Equalizer, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your Spotify app and here just tap on your profile in the top left corner. Then tap on settings and privacy and here just tap on playback option and here you just have to look for Equalizer. Just tap on it, then tap on OK and here just tap on Equalizer and you will get different equalizer here. You can easily select balanced, bass boosted, dynamic, smooth, clear, treble boost, or custom if you want. You can easily customize your equalizer here. So in this way you can easily change Spotify equalizer on any Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.